Lance!
Ingat po tayo naman.
Lance! Lance! Yung susi ng board!
Lance, di ka na mahiya. Iba na nagtatawag sa'yo, oh.
Puro panty lang. Yung 3-4-1.
Ali soen. Sorry, abe soen lang afford ko, be.
State na hindi siya panandalian na
Hey guys! Mag-vlog ka na, George.
Huwag yung maingay. Ang bura pa naman ng vlog mo, ikaw.
So today mag-exam na kami and we're currently reviewing. Wait. This... Yan naman. Ay, ano yung pang...
Hello guys, so it's March 27 today, so these are our final exam. So dito sila dyan.
Conductive.
By the way, marunong na kami mag-sign language, pero alphabetical.
Central.
Ay,
Ano yan?
manual.
Central Reading Fairness?
Here's Kuya Justin. Say hello, Kuya. Say hello. Hello. Here's Darren. This is Kuya Justin. And this is Darren. Darren, say hello.
So guys, exam na namin. Medyo mag-extend lang tayo hostel. Okay, ma'am. It's our vlog.
Oh my God, sis! Oh my God!
Eh, anong tawag ulit dun sa difficulty and the nerves? Disgrasya? Disgrafia. So guys, nagdidiwang na ang aking mga kaklase for today. So ito yung BFF ko, guys. BFF. Pinakakikay ko. Friend, classmate. What's your name? My name is Atisa Manalo. Atisa Manalo! Romy! Vlog. Romy! Ano ba yan?
I'm Romeo.
This is my dog. Ireto niyo daw siya, guys.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel for today. We're going to take our exam. We are going to take our exam here at ABR1.
Hi, my name is Princess.
Uy, gawin sa'yo. Jana. Hi, first one, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to our vlog. So, magpakilala. My name is Marky Ronjos, Lumingit Bulacan, taga-Dun lang. Hi, Jock! Say hi! Say hi!
Ano yun? Tangina, ano yung description na yan? Ano yung description na yan?
Vlog na namin!
Sabi mo kasi ito siya, oh. Ano yun?
Ipapakilala ko siya. Saan dito naman ako? Sa,
George, burikat. Magiging stage siya para sa akin.
ano? Ginugulo ko. So guys, inyo ko muna. Baka kasi ma-red na tayo. Say lang. Say hi lang. Anak ko yan guys. Inasawa ni mama na. Guys. Po 0.5 daw kami guys oh. Pero wala namang 0.5 yung cellphone guys oh. So pupunta tayo kay Jana guys. So andito si Jana guys. Jana, say hi Jana. Ikwento mo naman ang nangyari kagabi. Jana, ikwento mo naman yung nangyari.
Wala, nagtuturo na ako ng walang katapusan.
Kinakabahan ako kasi wala pa pagkokopyan, guys. Nasa likod ko sila, George.
Iba pang mga kalsadang nag-uugnay sa simbahan at sa bayan ay ahong doon tabangan na niliraan ng mga tao dito at kanilang pinatayo ang alay.
Hey guys!
Darren, lagyan mo.
Hindi naman kami naka-shower.
Hindi din kami naka-shower.
Ha?
Si Darren ay, ito kumausap. Okay, it's a very good class. Today you've learned the states of matter. Now, in order for us to immerse on our lesson. Word. Just like for example, when I said wallet, grab it and then raise the hand.
So, for doing our experiment, I expect you to work quietly or minimize your noise.
And you go and put body water.
Angela, what's the next to do?
Place funnel over a clear cup.
Yes.
Dapat magaling ka sa pagtanong. Okay? So, for a neophyte, for a beginner, you did well, no? Because you were able to follow the different instance of the knife. Okay, congratulations.
Our situation. Camille.
Ibida ang IMs. Ibida.
Kapag kaya may balon ako.
May pang-tower ako.
Ang init. Guys. Gusto na lang umuwi. Hey guys! I'm with Lance. We're going to museum. Documentary. Ang laki mo, be.
ano yun?
Ang karton niya ng kanila. It's all the again. Oh my gosh.
Ito yung nahanap ko, Obes. So, hi everyone. So, katatapos lang ng exam namin and we're here having our lunch. So, I'm having... tawag na to? Fried noodles na lang kahit hindi. Combo beef. And they're having
No, that's pork.
pancit canton.
Pork, yeah.
Spicy. So, let's eat. Kulang ng asin. Ako ba naglagay? Ikaw nagtimpla?
Hi everyone! So today is our PE day. 7:30 pa lang pero pawis na din talaga. So, asan na si George? Hi guys! So today we're having a jumping rope. So ngayon is, it's such an easy task. Parang good for 1 minute lang. Wait lang! Andito na yung main vlogger natin. Oh my gosh! Hi sis!
Hi everyone.
So, what are you doing for today?
Can I use the other side of your video?
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Hello. Kaya pala di siya makareact kasi naka-video.
Pagod na ka? Pagod na ka?
We're having a super hard day.
Kailangan ko mag-retouch. Like, it's not so good. Ate, nakakapagod din talaga yung jumping rope kanina. What can we do? Exam na later. Mag-shower ulit ako later. Ganda-ganda. Tuwing sila nag-review ako. Oscar! Hi everyone! So, tapos na po yun.
So, na-stress na yan siya, na-stress.
Kailangan ko na mag-transfer ng school. Sobrang nakakahiya dito.
Sir, bata natin mag-inasal tapos ano?
Ilibre na. Hi guys! So, ngayon
Ne, kita man ne!
So, pupunta kami sa museum.
Iangat ng energy.
Ako face card pa din.
Best. FF.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
FF. Di ba ang hirap iangat ng energy?
Yes! Ang hirap mo iangat, be! Like, oh my gosh! So ngayon pupunta kami sa museum.
Hindi ka nag-soccer sa rubber shoes.
Be, pakisara. Bibi?
Kasi tsura lagi niya pastora dyan eh. Lagi niya baptist.
Be, ang face card ko, bakit?
Gagawin lang.
Bakit sa'yo? Kasi guys, kakatapos lang ng linguistics, tapos sunod yung Eduk 1. So, look at my bestie, Bibi. He's carrying my bag.
Nakatagtagari ka.
Such energetic.
Kastaak maninin ni Be. Tabi ni Jun Be. Ayusin mo na ang
Bakit kasi ganyan ka? Problema ko bang ganyan ka? Diba?
Straight lang.
Hindi, di ba balik ko kasi?
Ay, makapailik, Aji girl.
Ay, sorry.
Hi guys, I'm here with the mother of Manny. Ay,
Puro naman nakasama.
ay, oo, asawa of Manny Pacquiao. We have GT Pacquiao. We also have Winty, the mythical Sierra.
Hey guys, so naulanan po kami. Hindi na, nakupower po kami agad. Dito kami sa tower. So, katatapos lang po ng exam namin ng NSTP and later on, mag-wait lang kami ng very, very light and graduation na namin agad later. Na kami! Maglagat na kami!
Of Indian University. I hereby acknowledge your dedication and progress in fulfilling the requirements of National Service Training Program. You are officially confirmed as graduates.
Dear NSTP teachers, my fellow students, and our guests,
Hi guys! So we're here at Bangbang and kumain kami dito sa... Anong name nito? Taste like home. Tapos na kami kumain. Hindi na namin na-video kasi nag-charge yung phone ko kanina. He is a native.
He really belong to the Isinay town.
Oo. Pure ka bang Isinay? O pwede na ito interviewin after 50 years.
Kinakain ko, feel mo aabot pa ako.
Abot daw mo siyang 50 years. So, nasan tayo?
Saan sa artistic ka tayo?
Magpapagupit sila. Babantayan ko lang sila.
Ito yung buhok ko before.
Ala. So guys, ang hirap nila maging kaibigan. Ang hirap magpaka-social climber. Bay, magpapagupit lang sila sa salon.
Talaga. Balangan pa rin ng tubig lahat yan. Oo, spray, shampoo.
Oh, 50.
Ayan, trading yun, 50.
Siyempre, discount mo na. Pag yung masakit, 30 na lang. Ala, parang tama na. Ala, nagre-red na yung noo ko.
Huwag kang maingay.
Ang sakit!
Hindi.
Ang sakit! So guys, I'm here at the cafe near Municipia.
So guys, after we had
Ay, oo pala, bagong haircut sila. Ako, bagong
kita.
Pakita mo yung gupit mo. Then here is our order. Saan dyan yung ano? Yung kilay ko parang... Oh, bakit? Ano lola ni Darin? Bayombong. Or Quirino na lang. Ay, lang pala. Wait lang guys, itatawid niya ako kasi hindi ako marunong tumawid. Okay? O, go na, go na.
Sabi sa Biblia ang mga kakatulad.
Be, yan ba? Titigil ba yan? Hindi. Ay, thank you po. Thank you po. Ay, nakatawid ako, be. O, tawid ka na ulit ba? So, tatawid na siya, guys. 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Bilis! Yes! Yes, girl. Yes! Yes! Oy, bati na! Siya, guys. Ay! Lads, may documentary ka na! Wait lang. Everyone, mag-isa ko na lang here sa Bambang. Like, no Darren, no Lance, just Angela. Ate, pupunta na ako ng palengke. Mag-aalas 6 na kasi. So guys, I'm here at Bayambang na and now I'm currently with the main vlogger.
Yes, I know. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
And we're going to eat inasal. Nakita yun sa'yo, only rice.
Grilled chicken.
It's not because we don't have money.
It's because we are in strict diet.
Yeah.
We have dietitian. He told us that we need to eat less. It's evening already. We need to secure our health first because we might
Food security.
we might dream, you know.
So how are you today?
I'm feeling good. I start my day very productive. I finish a lot of household chores, apartment chores.
Oh, really?
I clean the apartment, I water my plants, I also wash my clothes, I cook for my board mates, and they're very proud of me because I'm very competitive. I'm
But you
very.
don't have stove?
We already have stove. We already have stove, but I cook in rice cooker. Yeah. No, speaking of Ilocano.
Right, guys.
Before that, let us pray, Angela.
So guys, we just had a tutorial on how to eat
Grilled chicken.
yeah, and then just a casual dinner. No talking.
Wearing pambahay out. Oy, tapos na, B.
So we're going home. Oh, be, makataktak
Tapos ang lamig pa naman.
Naglabis, be, pero be, nakakaraktapang pa. Bye, George! Yeah, bye, sis! Bye, Bibi! Love you, Bibi! I'm now home at Puerto House. I'm gonna sleep now, take a bath, and see you tomorrow. So good morning. It's June 1, Sunday, and hindi ko na kaya. Magpapagupit na ako ngayon. At tagal kong pinag-iisipan, hindi ako maka-review. Di sana ako nakapagpagupit na ako, di sana naka-review na ako. Okay. Gagawa ng reason. Pero yun, I'm gonna go and get a haircut. I'm just gonna eat lunch because it's already 12:30. Wala pa akong breakfast. So, let's go! Ito, this one. Dito pa. Pasok ka na! Magpapa-haircut lang. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Papakagulog. Hello everyone! So today is our last day of exam. Wala ba kayo napapansin? Like, okay. So ngayon, 6:52 pa lang, and I'm gonna go to school na para makapag-review ako kasi hindi ako nakapag-review kahapon. So let's go!
Be, itigil na ata natin. Makabanog ata ka vlog, ba't di mo editing?
Good morning.
Be, ag makatawilin.
Hindi,
Ag di ka dakit yung bang bungin mati edit di kita nga video
Good morning,
be.
everyone. So, today
Feel ko ata nga video kay series atan be.
So, naiwan ko yung calcio ko. My God! And nasa boarding na daw sila Darren and Lance. Ito kasama ko si George, yung main vlogger natin. Pagod na pagod na. Ayaw niya na to.
Pag-plancha.
Ano ba yan? Today is June 2, 2025. June 2, 2025 and 11:30 a.m. Ang tagal ni Darren mag-exam. O Lance.
Tae ka ba?
Hey guys! So it's the last day of exam. 4 p.m. na.
Thank you, Gab.
Thank you, Gab!
Thank you, Eva the Burj Khalifa prototype. Tara, picture. Thank you, Gab.
Asan si Gab?
Oh my God. Ayun siya. Dalian nyo Nice! Hi!
Oh, nakabili na ng mga ano ha? Ng mga gulay kasi.